Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today I'm going to make this teacup. I'm excited. I've got my resin poured. It's the Tea Expert resin. I'm going to use some pink ghost powder and I'm just going to put it in this little bit right here. Just mix it up a little bit so that it's going to see it, but you're not going to really see it. Let's see, I'm going to pull this back over here to do it. I hope I have enough. I hope you can still see what I'm doing. I'm going to pour, see how that shimmers? I'm going to pour some resin in there, in both of them. And then I'm going to pour this in, drizzle it in real good. Stir that up real good. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that ghost powder. Oh, okay. Messy, but good. Close this up before I screw up and mess it up. Okay, let's go ahead and start with my resin. It's kind of warm too. I have nothing to clip the handle closed, so I will have some cleanup to do when it's time. But that's okay, we will get there. Okay, let's go ahead and have fun with this. I'm just going to swirl it all around so it'll mix in with that clear. I'm going to take a mica brush and brush it all around in there too. Well, that's good that powder didn't get in there. All right, I'm going to get in there, like I said, with the mica brush and move it around a little bit. Big old bubble right there. I thought I saw something on there. Maybe it was a bubble. All right, I'm going to let that cure. And I'll come back for the demold and we'll take it from there. Okay, I'm back. Let's go ahead and get this demolded. I cannot wait. I put it in my my curing machine. I have a bubble. Of course I have a bubble. Always have a bubble. It's still a little bendy. Ooh, that turned out gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, let's see what this turned out. This is hard to get out. I might have to use some of this 99%, I can't even talk, 91% isopropyl alcohol. Spray it down in there and move it around a little bit. See how it's breaking it? It's coming away from it a little bit. Okay, let's try to roll this. I'll get that out of the way. Try to roll this down. Careful you don't cut yourself. That's a very sharp edge right there. So be careful. I've cut myself many times. It's not fun. Then with the alcohol on top of it don't help. Well, if I can get a hold of it. There we go. Maybe. This is... Okay. I need to pull it up to me. Hang on just a second. I got it over one of the edges. Oh. Let me turn this inside out, right? Like it's supposed to be. Uh-oh. Look at that cup. That turned out so pretty. Few bubbles in it, but that happens. See. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. I pulled out one of my magnetic. I can't even say it. I pulled out one of my markers. It's acrylic. I'm gonna color this heart. And well, now I know where I've got to be careful on the bubbles on this. That's one of the reasons why I like just doing it clear sometimes, just to see where the bubbles are. Let's let that sit there and dry. I went and had a little bit of leftovers. Let's go ahead and get this out of the mold. I turned it into a keychain. I'm going to drill a hole on it. But look at that. That is just so pretty. The back side, it looks good too. But that was my little extra. I can also do this. No, not really. But there is my little tray, or my little teacup. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that like button. It helps my channel. And thank you so much. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. If not, it doesn't hurt to just hit that button. It's free. And I will see you next time. Bye for now.